Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the app and device so the fix works. Open Messenger now and make sure you're logged in. App updates often restore missing features. Once done, check your phone's global notification switch and volume. If the system is muted, app changes won't sound. Next, tap your profile picture to access app notification settings. This first actionable step isolates Messenger from system-level blocks so you can change the sound and test immediately. Now adjust Messenger's internal sound settings so alerts are audible. In notifications, locate chat sound and pick a tone that you recognize. This ensures notification routing to the audio channel. Make sure the sound toggle is on. Sometimes it flips off after updates. Once set, send a test message or use the sample tone option to confirm output. If you hear nothing, move on to system-level app permissions to ensure Messenger can post audible alerts. Finish by confirming operating system permissions so Messenger can play sounds. Open your phone's app info, ensure notifications are allowed, and sound channel is not set to silent. On Android, check sound categories. On iPhone, confirm allow notifications with sounds enabled. After changes, restart the app or reboot the device to apply settings. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Messenger to reset corrupted files. This resolves most lingering silent notification issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.